Welcome, Shirinji and Sonia. How are you today?
Thank you.
Thank you. We are good.
Excited. Looking forward to this podcast.
Thank you very much for joining our BNI Data podcast. And, Shirinji, how long you been a member in BNI?
Over 5 years.
Over 5 years. And, I want to say something like, when I look at you, I see the compassion dripping from your body language, from your face, like a motherly feeling. And when I was looking at the region and I was looking for new ambassador, I said, I need somebody like you in that. And thank you very much for accepting the role.
Thank you.
So, if there is one thing you want to tell mentors about mentoring the new members, about handholding the new members, what would that be?
Just something very simple. You need to be passionate about whatever you do. And you need to put yourself in the position of your new member. You need to see that they are facing a room full of new people. And you need to make them feel that they are at home. And you need to handhold them right through so that they feel at ease and you make their journey worthwhile.
That's really wonderful. I'll ask Soumya, if you were to tell me you have mentored many members, as I remember, and now you are into a new ambassador role. How had been your mentoring journey?
As I have rightly learned from many of the mentors whom I had in my initial journey, mentoring someone is like you're teaching someone something, you're being their guru. Now, passing on the information which you have inculcated from your senior members or your mentors, and then hand-holding the new members in their BNI journey, it's such a, the feeling itself is wow, and when someone quote that, I have learned this from Miss Shireen, I've learned this from Soumya, I've learned this from Pankaj, that gives you a sense of satisfaction in whatever you do, you call it mentor, you call it guru. It's a sense of satisfaction you get at the end of the day. And the journey of mentoring someone and learning through that mentoring is something which I admire a lot.
Wow, that's really wonderful. You said two things. Learning through your mentoring journey. Because these mentors are not babies. They have a life. They have done things in their life. And you are learning from them. As a matter of fact, when I'm speaking with you guys, there's a tagline used by Dr. Meisner. The success is not about what you have achieved. Success is about who remembers you in their success story. And mentoring is such a wonderful role in BNI, which gives us the opportunity to be remembered in someone's story. So has it ever happened to you, Shirinji, that some member approached you and said, hey, Shirin, you taught me that and really, really worked?
The most important thing is when you chose me to be an ambassador, I myself didn't see myself in that role. I know I am a grandmother, but there are so many things one doesn't realize when you look in the mirror about yourself. It's only when the other person looks at you in that certain way and you think about it and you say, yes, of course. And I've had, after becoming an ambassador and being an ambassador for givers, that has grown. You feel your worth multiply or probably exponentially grow when people come up to you during the LTs and set you aside from the rest of the team and say, hey, this is the difference you made in our life.
Wow, that's really beautiful. I say affirmations and recognitions when it comes from the people who you have worked with in the life is the biggest reward any leader can have for everything they do. And for me, my mentor was Mr. Madhur Dokan. I still recall his coaching to me, how he arranged me and how he handholded me. You will not believe, like after every week, he would ask me, what did I do last week? What is the plan next week? He taught me so many things in the system to do, and which made me so proud of having him as my guru in BNI, that when I was launching my book, I invited Madhu, right? Because I remember him in my success story. He is the one who helped me understand BNI, which is today is my life, right? And I really appreciate all that. And Soumya, if I want to ask you something, like what is your story, one story with your mentee, which is very close to your heart?
Yeah, I mean, this reminds me of the recent incident which I had with one of a new member in my chapter, if I can take the name. It's Miss Gulnar. I mean, she was really all over the place, like, what should I say in my 30 seconds? How do I present myself? Because her category is so niche that she provides softwares for accounting services. So she's so niche. If I talk about accounting, am I conflicting with someone else? So she was all over the place, and she was very worried on what to talk and how to talk about and how to reap the benefit out of it. That is where, when I had a discussion with her for almost an hour, we were discussing about how she could develop her things on how to present herself. I mean, over through this, I mean, it's been for her, it's been 2 months into the BNI. Maybe I didn't interact with her that much as I generally do with in my meetings, but that has eventually grown on a friendship between both of us, apart from our business or how it goes. And even in terms of her business, how she technologically systemizes everything, it's something which I mean, it struck me how I can implement that into my business. So that's a learning when you, from a new member, and you went on to teach or coach them on some aspects, but then in return, you learn something out of it, or that 1 hour discussion, what we do. That is something I remember of lately, which is recent.
That's truly an
Fantastic.
experience. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.